Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change bullet list or number list to alphabetic list ABC in Elementor WordPress. So this is our bullet list and this is our number list. So you can use any, but we are going to change into ABC format. Now go to code and then you see UL. So we are going to add custom class. Now paste. So we added class custom alpha list. So this is our class name, and after that we are going to add custom CSS. So you can add custom CSS in customize section or any plugin. So we are using Elementor Pro. Go to advanced and then you see custom CSS. Now paste and you'll find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So first add custom CSS class in number list or bullet list and then add this custom CSS. Now you see AB format, alphabetic format. So you can add this custom CSS in customize section also and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.